Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Make homemade yogurt with a simple list and clean tools. Use 4 cups pasteurized milk, 1/3 cup powdered milk, and 2 tablespoons plain yogurt as starter. Measure accurately. 1/3 cup powdered milk boosts solids for thickness, and 2 tablespoons of active plain yogurt supplies live cultures. Dissolve powdered milk in 1/2 cup warm milk before adding to the pot to avoid lumps and ensure even distribution. Sanitize jars and equipment with hot water to prevent contamination. Then keep everything warm while you heat the milk. Careful temperature control makes reliable yogurt. Heat the milk to 180 degrees F, 82 degrees C, and hold for 5 minutes to denature proteins and create a creamier final texture. Remove from heat and cool to 110 degrees F, 43 degrees C, to avoid killing the starter. Use an instant read thermometer for accuracy. Cool quickly in an ice bath if needed. Then add the starter. 2 tablespoons starter per quart of milk stirred gently. Incubate at 110 degrees F, 43 degrees. Once the yogurt has set, cool it to lock in the texture and flavor. Refrigerate yogurt for at least 4 hours to firm the texture and slow culture activity. For thicker Greek-style yogurt, strain 1 to 3 hours using a cheesecloth-lined sieve over a bowl, checking thickness every 30 minutes. Save the whey for smoothies or baking. Flavor or sweeten after chilling to avoid fermenting sugars. Store yogurt in sealed containers for up to 2 weeks at 40 degrees F, 4 degrees C, and always use clean utensils.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.